Hi class, welcome back. Let's get ready for today's lesson. Everyone take a seat. Eyes are looking. Mouth is quiet. Hands are to ourselves. Feet are on the ground. And ears are listening. Thank you. And let's look at today's calendar. Today is Friday, Fun Friday. Yesterday was Thursday and tomorrow will be Saturday. So we're heading right into the weekend. Let's look at what day is on our calendar today. It's the number 23. Today's the 23rd of the month of October. Yeah, let's put it right in here. And we're exactly 1 week away from Halloween. And the number 23, remember we count all the way to 23, so we're going to count together. So it's a 2 and a 3 and the number 23. All right, so 2 10s and 1 2 3, 3 1s. Let's count. Ready? All right, there should be 10 in here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Thank you. Let's continue on. 10 20. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So I've kept them together with this rubber band. So here we go. 20 right in here. 21, 22, 23. We're good counters. Thank you. So 2 10s and 3 1s. And what's the number for this week? It's the number 5. Right. Give me 5. Let's count all the way to 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. And you also received in your packet, use orange, the number 5 to practice with. So let's see, there are pictures here, right? They're starfish. They're really pretty. I like pictures. I always look at them first. All right, let's see. Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 of them. And how many points are on each point? How many points do we have on each star? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 points. Cool, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can count on your own sheet of paper. So let's practice doing the number 5. First we start just with half a line. See? 1 from the top to the bottom. Now let's go and look at Mr. Smiley Face way up on top. You'll see it a little bit better closer up and you're on your sheet. But from the top we go down. All right, and then we do a little curly curve. All right, now let's practice it over here. All right, this is a full number 5. So we're going to start from Mr. Smiley Face, down, half a line, over, okay, and on the top, we're going to come over. So we're going to make 1 5 down here to get you started on it. And you might have already done it because this is kind of fun to do. But let's start at Mr. Smiley Face here. He's smiling, really cute. And let's go down, half a line, a little curve over. I like the number 5. And on the top, a little hat. So there we go. Here's the number 5. And see, here are 5 fingers too, like we're doing. Okay, thank you for joining in with that. And we are not only looking at the color orange, but I wanted to show you more things. Last time we looked at an orange, we looked at a cantaloupe, and I have a lot of these. I have a big bag of oranges because I love them. They're juicy and they are full of really good vitamins. And so when you peel it open, what does it look like inside? It's orange, huh? Orange. So I'm going to show you something else that may not be orange. It's brown. It's a sweet potato. It's a sweet potato. Okay, it's a small, tiny potato, but it's long. Most of them are all long. Some of them are very big. But I just thought I wanted to carry this to school to show you. And they grow underground. Okay, oranges grow on trees. This grows just like regular potatoes underground, almost like a carrot. And now is a good season to buy yams or sweet potatoes. So it's a pretty much, this particular one is a darker kind of reddish brown. Very pretty color, very rich color. I've already purchased some this past month, and they're all different colors. So on the inside, though, it's a bright orange. So no matter what color brown or reddish brown you see on the outside, the inside is a bright orange. Isn't that neat? And they're very sweet. Usually you boil them or you bake them. And there are many ways of eating them, but they're never a disappointment because they're so sweet. Another vegetable, this grows on a vine. It grows like a cantaloupe does, right above the ground. Also like a strawberry, right above the ground. It doesn't grow on trees. And it's called a squash, a butternut squash. And if I bring it closer up, you'll see it's a little bit of an orange. There's a little bit of an orange to it. It's just a really pretty color. When you open this, though, it is very much just like the sweet potato. It is very orangey. And they're delicious in soups. They're delicious slicing them up and then putting them in the oven in different kinds of ways. So it's a good vegetable to eat. All right. So I wanted to ask you, of all things that are food related, since we just talked about food, I have a food question, and it's about things that grow above ground. One is right above the ground, and that's a strawberry. Do you like strawberries? Or do you like oranges? And I'll bring up the real actual orange. Here we go. The one that grows on trees, oranges? Or do you like strawberries? Okay. Sometimes they're also very good together, like in a salad. So you can pick between the two. All right, I have a few more things that are orange, though. I have an orange car. I just got it. It's a light orange. See that? It's really cute. It goes fast. And then guess what I have? I have an orange egg. He wants to look like a pumpkin, right? He is. He is an egg. He's got a little goodie inside. All right, so kind of cute. Of course, now's the time for pumpkins, right? Yeah. And maybe you have a pumpkin at home. Maybe you like pumpkin pie. Yummy. Well, I must be hungry because I'm thinking about food. Okay, so the letter D. Let's move on to the letter D. Da-da! Okay. And D as in dog this week. Everyone got this in your packet. So we have D as in dog, D as in drum, duck, dolphin. We just talked about dolphin, right? Deer, dots, little dots, and a doll. So D, all these things start with the letter D. And drum has a dr, a very hard sound. Drum. There we go. And actually, let's put it up on the board. That'll be fun. We can keep looking at that. And also we have our words for this week, 4 words. So one is I see. So let's start the sentence with I see, okay? Let's point to I see with my eyes, and I'm bringing it and matching it to these words on the board. Hopefully you can see that. I see. We're going to make a whole sentence. Okay, ready? I see let's find out what. There's a missing word here. Well, I'm thinking orange. I'm thinking fall. I'm thinking farm. I'm thinking pumpkin. I see the pumpkin. Neat. And what if you went to the pumpkin patch? Wouldn't that be nice? I see the pumpkin. Well, once you find a pumpkin that you really like, you might say, it's my pumpkin, my pumpkin. Let's go ahead and put my where that is, okay? I see my pumpkin. Let's read it together. I see my pumpkin. There's an M in pumpkin, and pumpkin starts with a P. All right. Well, very good. Moving on to now math. We're doing such hard and wonderful things, and I'm so proud of you for following along. All right, so let's count. We're going to count to the number 5 and find out in how many ways we can make the number 5. Ready? I'll write the number on top. 1, 2, 3. So let's write 3 on top. And here we have 2 blue dots. 1, 2. So let's go ahead and write 2. Now together, right, we're going to add them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in all. Yeah, so if you have 3 strawberries and then you have 2 more strawberries, that means in all you have 5. Yeah, so we're learning to do math, add things up, and count them one at a time. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And I do want to say that this weekend on Sunday is a birthday for one of our dear classmates. So he's turning a year older. That means he has to learn a whole new number. So let's end this lesson by singing happy birthday, okay? And that'll be a happy note to end in. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend. See you soon.